mathematics. How much gold can you hold in an elephant's ear? When it's noon on the moon, then what time is it here? If you could count for a year, would you get to infinity or somewhere in that vicinity? When you choose how much postage to use, when you know what's the chance it will snow, when you bet and you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.
Good morning, SCS students, and welcome back to another week. I hope you all enjoyed your Easter long weekend and that you were able to celebrate with some family, be it virtually or your own immediate family in your homes. I pray that it was a good time for you to just reflect on and to be blessed by the death and resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. As we get into today, I want to share with you a verse of the day today. The verse of the day today comes from John 13, verse 35, where it says, "By this everyone will know that you are my disciples, if you love one another." So the encouragement today for you is to love one another. I want you to think about ways in which you can practically love one another today. Maybe you can reach out by text or by a video chat or FaceTime or by sending a note to somebody or just by serving those around you. I pray that you would reflect on how you can do that, how you can practically love one another today. All right, now we want to get into doing some physics. So, grade 12 class. For you guys, the end of last week, you got a really long review assignment. It was reviewing everything in terms of work and energy, with the exception of some what are called elastic collisions. I want you to continue working on that review sheet. I haven't gotten any questions yet, so I'm not sure if that means you don't have any questions or you haven't actually done the worksheet, but I want you to work on those worksheets, on that worksheet. And if you have questions, make sure you ask them, and I can address those questions in a video. Toward the end of this week, probably Thursday, we're going to look at the collisions, the elastic collisions, and then on Friday, there will be a test put up on Connect that you'll have 3 or 4 days to work on after that before it'll be needed to be handed in. So that's what you can expect this week. The first couple of days we'll be working on that review, then we'll introduce collisions and elastic collisions, and then we'll have a test to end off this unit. And by the beginning of next week, we want to be starting our next unit, which is one of my favorite units, even though it's less about physics and more about just some general information, but it is a good unit and some good information in it. So that's what you can expect grade 12s.